Wagwan YouTuber. Una ready? Una ready, 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 ready. Let's go. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So I am back and I'm excited because this is basic on how to speak patwa. So this time around I decided I'm going to do something different. Well, not really different. You're probably wondering like, why is she recording the video in her kitchen? I got a reason why. It's because today I'm actually doing basically Jamaican foods, and I thought, why not do it in the kitchen? Make it a little bit exciting, a little bit different. So I'm just basically focusing on words today, okay? Different Jamaican words. Woo woo. So come chat patwa with me and talk about the different type of Jamaican food. Una ready? Alright, the first thing I have for you guys today is oil. This is an oil, right? O-I-L. Oil. You know how we say this in Jamaica? Oil. Alie. So instead of saying oil, we say aisle. And you spell that A-L-I-E. So this is an aisle, right? Yes, so. And we say aisle and you guys say oil, okay? And basically, gimme the cooking oil. Basically, I just say give me the cooking oil. So, oil is for oil. So, gimme the cooking oil. Give me the cooking oil. Yeah, guys, I'm a little all over, but I figure why not do a little bit different? So, I had a little prop. So, oil. Aisle, give me the cooking aisle, give me the oil. And then the next thing, which I don't have a prop, unfortunately, Ackee. Ackee's like basically a famous Jamaican dish. It's like a national Jamaican dish. You ever heard of Ackee and saltfish? To be honest, I'm not a big fan of Ackee and saltfish. I like the saltfish, but not so much the Ackee. I think I'm the only Jamaican person I know that really don't care for Ackee. And basically, when you eat Ackee, you could say, "Me nyam the Ackee," and it was so good. So basically, I ate Ackee, and it was so good. So when you eat something, you can say nyam, nyam. So nyam is to eat. So throughout this entire lesson, I'm going to use the word nyam. So remember nyam, when you say me nyam the ackee and saltfish, meaning I ate the ackee and the saltfish, okay? And the next word is burger. So we don't say burger, we say burga. So instead of saying burger, we say burger, burger, burga. Burga for burger, okay? So basically, you could say me no nyam burger, you know? If you don't like burger, you say me no nyam burger. Basically, I don't eat burger. But if you eat burger, you could be like, me nyam the burger yesterday from Burger King and it was really good, my youths. Basically, I ate the burger from Burger King and it was really good, my youths. Hope you guys are enjoying the lesson so far. Yay! I'm being really silly. I don't know why, but I like it. And basically the next one, I think as a Jamaican person, we eat this like every Sunday. You have rice and peas. I love, love, love rice and peas. It's like one of my favorite rice dish. And sometimes when you eat rice and peas, you just have a little chicken with it, which is pretty cool. So basically you could say on Sunday, when nyam the rice and peas with some chicken and it was so sweet, you know. I ate the rice and peas on Sunday and it was so delicious. So basically, me nyam the rice and peas on Sunday with this chicken and it was so delicious. I ate the rice and peas on Sunday and it was so delicious. And you had chicken with it. And okay, the next word is patty. Patty, they call it patty, but I say it, Americans, or if you're not of the Jamaican descent, you say patty, but it's patty. Patty is just like a pastry. You could have beef in there, you could have chicken, or just cheese, and sometimes it's a bit spicy, okay? And it's like it's kind of it's in a brown yellowish flaky crush, and you bake it, and that's how you get patty. And me nyam the beef patty, y'all, and it was so good. Girl, go to the store and go get me some beef patty now. Basically, I said I ate the beef patty, and I said, girl, go to the store and get me some beef patty. So, me nyam the beef patty. Girl, go to the store and get me some. Okay, I ate the beef patty. Girl, please go to the store and get me some. And the next one we're going to do is, what is this, guy? So what is this? This is a candy, right? A lollipop is a candy, right? In Jamaica, we say sweetie. We don't use the word candy. We say sweetie. This is sweetie, right, yes, Anna? I know candy we call this sweetie. So basically I said we don't call this candy. We call it sweetie. So remember, candy is sweetie. And another way you could say something like a word with sweetie, you could be like, the kids them love the sweetie, you know? The kids love the candy. So remember, candy is sweetie, okay? And I love candy. I really like candy. That's probably why I have cavity, because I eat so many sweets. Sweetie, but it's so good. And the other one, I don't really have anything in my apartment. Basically, chocolate, we said chocklate. Okay, chocolate. So me nyam the chocolate, but basically I said I ate the chocolate. Me only eat certain chocolate. So if you only eat certain chocolate, you could be like, me only like certain chocolate. Me don't like every type of chocolate. Basically, I said I only eat certain chocolate. I don't like every type of chocolate. So me only eat certain chocolate. Me don't like every type of chocolate. I only eat certain chocolate. I don't eat every type of chocolate. And this one, what is this, guys? So this, I don't know if you guys could see. This is basically Moscato, but what we call this is liquor. This is liquor. It's a wine. Yes, it is wine, but this altogether, like basically any type of drinks you get at a store, it's considered liquor. So we don't say liquor. We say liquor. So liquor is a liquor. So I'm going to go to the liquor store and I'm going to get some liquor. Okay? So I went to the liquor store and I got some liquor. I went to the liquor store and I got some liquor. So I'm going to go to the liquor store and let me get some liquor. And it was so, and the rest, you know the rest. So liquor is liquor. L-I-K-K-A, liquor. We don't say liquor in Jamaica, we say liquor. And then with drinks as well, we don't really say, we say drinks, but we say drinks, like with a Z, drinks. Drinks, okay? So you could use the word drinks by saying, to be honest, I don't really drink a lot of drinks. I really drink water. So I could say, I don't have anything to drink except water. I don't have anything to drink except water. So water is water. I don't have anything in my fridge for drinking. The only thing I have for drinking in my fridge is water. So basically I just said the only thing I have to drink in my fridge is water. And you can see it's from Wegmans. I really love Wata. Wata from Wegmans. So water from Wegmans. And another thing that a lot of people, well, kids, pretty much anyone in Jamaica, we drink, especially when it's really, really hot, is bag juice. Bag juice is basically, you know, water and syrup in a bag, and you just bite it and just suck it out, So basically, the kids them drink a lot of bag juice in Jamaica, you know. Even adults drink bag juice. Basically, I said the kids, they drink a lot of bag juice, even the adults. And then I like this. What is this, guys? It's banana. Obviously, my banana is very ripe. A banana this, you know, and the banana so ripe, you know, it's overly ripe. So I basically said, this is banana and it's overly ripe, okay? And basically, guys, that's my brief lesson. It is a bit lengthy, so I'm sorry. It's not really brief because it's definitely lengthy. So remember, banana is banana and liquor is liquor. And then you got water, which is water. And then you have oil, which is aisle, okay? And basically, that's my brief little lesson. I hope you guys enjoy it. I do all my video myself. I don't really have anybody recording me except me. So I want to like have others, like when my friends do come over, I do want them to record some video, make it a little bit more fun for you guys. I definitely hope you guys enjoy this lesson. It was fun for me. So again, it was really, really good to record the video. Just remember, oil is Alie, water is Wata, liquor is liquor. Liquor is liquor, okay? Banana is banana. And then, you know the rest. So, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please continue to subscribe and just make my day. Make my day, baby. Won't you make my day? And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and comment below on my video. Comment below on my bumble clap video. Alright, I'm not for cuss on this at all. So I'm sorry for cussing. Basically, I said I'm not supposed to curse. I'm sorry. But comment below on my video. Video. Comment below on my video. Comment below on my video. Comment below on my video. Like, subscribe. Mwah.